The field service industry is very dynamic, and the industry has already transformed in several ways over recent years, especially with the shift from paper-based and manual processes to digital workflows. And as the Chief Product Officer for Simpro, I'm excited as we head into 2024 to share my thoughts on the trends that I think will redefine service delivery, operational efficiency, and customer interaction. So what are my top predictions for the field industry? Well, with IoT devices becoming more integrated into equipment that gets serviced, I see proactive maintenance standing out as a pivotal trend. For example, an HVAC company will be able to remotely monitor system performance and issues in real time and then take action to prevent downtime. But I think it's important to explain the difference between proactive maintenance and predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, I think, is also on the horizon, but those systems require a lot more field data to be able to build models that can anticipate future issues in advance of those problems arising. And this trend of proactive maintenance, I think, is being driven mostly out of the availability and affordability of IoT sensors and connectivity, machine learning, and of course that continuous emphasis on customer satisfaction and cost savings, which you really want to avoid emergency repairs. How do I see AI evolving in the field service industry this year? The field service industry stands to benefit from AI in several ways, many of which we're still exploring, but I believe that there are two areas where it will evolve the most this year. The first is in the area of decision making. We've become much more capable at data gathering and analysis, and I think there's an opportunity for AI to assist with core decision making. For example, improved scheduling and routing and providing technicians with real-time insights, including those from IoT devices. The second benefit I think that AI will bring in this year is in the area of customer interaction. There's a lot of efficiencies that large language models bring to the table to improve the exchange and the quality of information provided to customers in the way of automated form building and help guides and things like that. What's the biggest change I can expect as we start to transition into the new workforce? The biggest change is really just a continuation of the significant shift towards providing technicians with digital tools. Mobile apps will provide increased access to information and support so they can provide really good customer service. And in particular, I expect to see early adoption of augmented reality as an assistive technology to help with problem solving and complex tasks. Younger technicians are entering the workforce, and I think they're going to be quite adept at using these kinds of technologies in various aspects of their work. Do I have any short-term and longer-term predictions? If so, what are they? In the short term, I think we're going to see a surge in back-end process automation, and I'm referring to automated scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, tasks that were previously very manual and time-consuming, and that's being driven by the constant need to be efficient and stay competitive. In the longer term, aside from the increased use of IoT for proactive maintenance, I think that augmented reality and virtual reality are going to be very beneficial to the industry. Apprentice technicians will be able to use virtual reality and get immersive training without going on site. And augmented reality cameras and monitors are going to allow technicians to sort of overlay schematics on a piece of equipment during a repair. Overall, while AI is certainly going to play a role in the future of field service management, the evolution in the industry is being driven by a broader set of technologies, and the challenge is going to be integrating those technologies into workflows or changing workflows in order to leverage them and not lose sight of the needs of our customers.